श्री कमल नारायण जी से, श्री अमित जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि ये फूल भेंट कर आप माननीय मंत्री जी का स्वागत करें। According a floral welcome to the Honorable Minister as he joins us, our guest of honor for the award ceremony. We would also like to recognize Excellency Jason, the Ambassador USA, along with his spouse. May I request, ma'am, you also to be joining us. May also invite Mr. Grivia from the Russian Embassy, the Trade Deputy Head. Also from the Russian Embassy, the Trade Deputy Head, Mr. Grivia is here with us. May I request the Honorable Minister, sir, along with Mr. Abdullah to be please. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the stage, we have the drone prototype which is going to be now launched. May I request the team from Bonvi to be please joining us here on the stage. From the first mile to the last mile, logistics in fact has evolved with time, and today we're taking another giant leap forward as innovation quite literally rises from the ground. The future of logistics, ladies and gentlemen, just doesn't move, it flies. So please join us as we unveil the next frontier in delivery innovation by Bonvi at the hands of the Honorable Minister, Sir, Shri Ramdas Athavale ji. मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि आप Bonvi द्वारा ये ड्रोन प्रोटोटाइप का अनावरण करें. So from the platform of Logistics Shakti, ladies and gentlemen, we have the drone prototype being launched by Bonvi, taking the delivery to the next level. As we mentioned, the future of logistics is further evolving, not just moving but flying with the drones. Many congratulations to the team Bonvi here. दिव्यसिद्धों, आज हम एक विशेष MOU भी साइन करने जा रहे हैं बॉन्वी के साथ। लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति बॉन्वी के साथ एक विशेष MOU का। प्रेम प्रकाश जी को भी मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। This is an MOU which is being signed between Bonvi and Logistic Shakti in the august presence of the Honorable Minister, sir. माननीय मंत्री जी की गरिमामय उपस्थिति में एक विशेष समझौता का MOU का यहाँ पर हस्ताक्षर किए जा रहे हैं, आदान प्रदान किया जा रहा है लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति और बॉन्वी के बीच। So Logistic Shakti is a platform which also encourages the startups. दिव्य सज्जनों, अब मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से विशेष निवेदन करती हूँ कि इस सभा को आप संबोधित करें और अपने मार्गदर्शन से हमें प्रेरित करें।
My dear friends and sisters, all of you are here to develop our country, India. India's economy is also going fast because the logistic Shakti, logistic power is also with us. And Mr. Kamal Narayan is organized this very important function. Every year he is also going to organize this function. And logistics is also very important for develop our country. Shipping, transportation, and another development process, we are also going ahead. Logistic Shakti Enterprises is also very important for us now. Now I have seen Mr. Satya. Satya, he is from Rajasthan. And I have seen the drone. I have inaugurated that drone. And that drone is going near about 1900, 1500 square feet. And this is also very nice development in India. Our Narendra Modi ji wanted made in India. If we will develop our business, develop our industry, and made in India is also very important to develop our country. Now you know that our economy is number 4 now. Last time Japan was number 4, and India was number 5. But now our economy is number 4 in all over the world. And after 1 year or something, we will go number 3. Germany is number 3 now. And US is number 1. China is number 2. And number 3, Germany, but we will take the number of Germany and we will go number 3. Then only 2 countries will be there, US and China. Then after 4 years, we will go number 2. And China will come down number 3. Then after some time, but we will think about number 1, because number 1 is America, US. If we will go number 1, then Donald Trump will be very angry. And Donald Trump, his party is Republican Party, my party is Republican Party. But all right, that economy, we are also developing our country. And many drivers are with you now. In the logistic industry, many drivers are there. Many Mathadi workers are there. And the many people are also working in this industry, logistic industry. ये लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति, अगर हमारे साथ रहेगी लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति, अगर अपने साथ रहेगी लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति, तो क्यों नहीं मिलेगी अपने देश को मुक्ति? तो देश के मुक्ति के लिए हमें आगे बढ़ना है. Our government is with you. Why our government is with you? Because all you are with us, with Narendra Modi ji. You are supporting Narendra Modi ji. The leadership of Narendra Modi is very strong leadership. He is also very strong man. He is very popular man in the world. And he wants to develop the country. On 15th August 1947, English peoples were controlled India. English people came here for they came here for business, but they like spices here. Indian spices are very strong. If anybody will come here, he don't go again to the country. Therefore, English people stay here near about 150 years here. They like India. But we don't like the rule of English people. But now English people are our good friends. In England, many people, near about 30-40 lakh people are staying in England now, United Kingdom now. And that government is also supporting Indian people because Indian peoples are very strong people there in business also. Last time one Mittal is originally from Punjab, from India, and he was very powerful, rich man in England, United Kingdom, number one. And therefore now India is also going ahead. और आज यहाँ मुझे खुशी है कि Abu Abdullah is my good friend. Where is Abu Abdullah? He's gone. Now Abu Abdullah is from Dubai. And many peoples in Dubai, near about 60% peoples are staying there in Dubai, Indian peoples. And they are also very strong peoples in Dubai. Dubai was very quiet country, very shant country, but now I don't know what will happen in the future. Because when Iran will attack, we don't know. But we don't want any attack from America, US or from Iran. India wanted the world peace. We don't want युद्ध, we want बुद्ध. हमें शांति चाहिए, वर्ल्ड शांति चाहिए, और इसलिए हम सब लोगों को आगे बढ़ना है. और यहाँ हमारे अमित शंकर जी है, प्रेम प्रकाश जी है, हमारे तौसी पाशा जी बेंगलोर से आए हैं, डॉक्टर तौसी पाशा जी है, और भी कई मान्यवर पूरे देश भर से आए हैं जो लॉजिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं. और देश को बड़ा बनाने के लिए आपका बहुत बड़ा रोल है. तो लॉजिस्टिक नहीं रहेगा तो मतलब कोई माल उधर नहीं जाएगा, उधर से माल इधर नहीं आएगा. यहाँ से माल भेजना है तो लॉजिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री की आवश्यकता है, वहाँ से माल लेना है तो लॉजिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री की आवश्यकता है. एयरक्राफ्ट से अगर अपने को कुछ जल्दी भेजना है तो भी मतलब लॉजिस्टिक की आवश्यकता है. और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आज आप सब लोग यहाँ लॉजिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति के बारे में, इसमें क्या प्रगति हो और यहाँ काम करने वाले सभी लोगों को कैसा न्याय मिले, उसके लिए ज़रूर हमारी सरकार आपके साथ है. ये नहीं अंदर की, ये तो है अंदर की बात, क्योंकि हमारी सरकार है आपके साथ. तो मतलब ये हमारी सरकार आपके साथ है. और मतलब आज मेरा बहुत ही खुश है मन, आज मेरा बहुत ही खुश है मन, क्योंकि मुझे इनवाइट करने वाले हैं कमल नारायण. मुझे नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारा धन, मुझे नहीं चाहिए आपका धन, लेकिन मेरे लिए आज का बहुत अच्छा है क्षण. आपके बीच में आने का मौका मुझे मिला, और हर साल हर वक्त हमें कमल नारायण जी बुलाते हैं, और इनका नाम ही है कमल, इसलिए वेस्ट बंगाल में कमल को बहुत वोट मिला है लोगों. मतलब देश को आज़ादी मिलने के बाद पहला इलेक्शन हुआ था अपना 26 जनवरी 1950 को. बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी ने ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन के नाते जो संविधान दिया था वो लागू हुआ था 26 जनवरी 1950 को, और पहला इलेक्शन हुआ था 1952 में. तो तब से आज तक जो वेस्ट बंगाल में जो वोटिंग हुआ है 91.34% वोटिंग हुआ है. तो मैंने पार्लियामेंट में ये मैंने भूमिका रखी थी कि 100% वोटिंग होना चाहिए. 5 साल में एक बार वोटिंग होता है, हर आदमी ने वोटिंग, कंपलसरी वोटिंग होना चाहिए. मतलब कंपलसरी, एक लोकतंत्र में हर एक आदमी को वोट देने का अधिकार है. किसको सत्ता में लाना है वो पूरा अधिकार उनको, लोगों को है, और लोग जिनके साथ होते हैं उनको सत्ता मिलती है. कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ लोग 50-60 साल तक रहेंगे, और कांग्रेस पार्टी सत्ता में रही. अभी 2014 से नरेंद्र मोदी जी सत्ता पर आए हैं, 50-60 साल हम रहेंगे, बाद में देखते हैं. वो 50-60 साल रहे तो हम भी उतना रहेंगे, बाद में तुम रहो 50-60 साल के बाद. अब तो ठीक है, नहीं 50-60 हम बोलते हैं, लेकिन आप जब तक हमारे साथ है तब तक हम रहेंगे। आप नहीं रहेंगे तो हम नहीं रहेंगे। तो इसलिए ठीक बात है, इसलिए आज यहाँ अब पूरे ऑल इंडिया के लोग इधर आए हैं। इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाले अनेक मान्यवर इधर आए हैं, और आप सब लोग मतलब या इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाले जो ओनर्स हैं, ये लेबर है, ड्राइवर्स है, सबके डेवलपमेंट के लिए आप विचार कर रहे हैं। ज़रूर हमारे सरकार के तरफ से जो भी आपको मदद चाहिए, ज़रूर हम आपको मदद करने के लिए तैयार है। मेरा मंत्रालय सोशल जस्टिस है, इकोनॉमिकल जस्टिस है, और हम सबको मदद करते रहते हैं। अगर आपको सोशल जस्टिस चाहिए तो मेरे पास आइए, नहीं चाहिए तो मत आइए। तो ठीक है, तो अभी ज़्यादा भाषण देने की ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन आप सब लोग यहाँ आए हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। और यहाँ हमारे अनेक मान्यवर यहाँ मौजूद हैं। तो यहाँ यूएस के भी हमारे मित्र अभी आए थे, रशिया के भी मित्र आए थे, और इंडिया के तो अपन इंडिया भारत के आप हम सब लोग इधर ही है। तो अनेक लोग यहाँ मौजूद है। तो लॉजिस्टिक शक्ति इंटरप्राइज इसके सभी मान्यवर यहाँ मौजूद है, और इसीलिए ज़्यादा वक्त ना लेते हुए आपकी जो भी समस्या होगी, ज़रूर नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ मेरे बहुत अच्छे संबंध है। और आज तक नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पार्लियामेंट को किसने हंसाया नहीं, लेकिन मैंने हंसाया है, मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी को। और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हंसाते हंसाते राहुल गांधी को फंसाया है मैंने। हाँ तो ठीक है, नहीं राहुल गांधी जी भी हमारे अच्छे मित्र है। अभी थोड़े राहुल गांधी एक्टिव बन गए हैं, 99 MP उनके कांग्रेस की चुनकर आए, एक्टिव बन गए हैं। इसलिए महिलाओं को रिजर्वेशन देने का बिल उन्होंने नापास किया। मतलब इतने एक्टिव बन गए हैं कि महिलाओं को मिलने वाला रिजर्वेशन ही मतलब गायब हो गया, गायब नहीं हुआ है। लेकिन हम महिलाओं को अभी बोलेगी, जो हमारी इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाली महिलाओं को मेरा निवेदन है कि आपको अगर रिजर्वेशन चाहिए तो हमको 2/3 मेजॉरिटी 29 में दीजिए, हम जरूर आपके लिए मतलब इस बिल पास करेंगे। और महिलाओं को न्याय देने की हमारी भूमिका है। महिला हमारी माता होती है, बहन होती है, हमारी पत्नी होती है, और महिलाएं बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रांग होती है। महिला बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रांग होती है, लेकिन पार्लियामेंट में बिल नापास करने वाले लोग रॉन्ग होते हैं। तो ठीक बात है। तो फिर एक बार आपका सभी जो ऑल इंडिया से आप आए हैं, जिनको अवार्ड मिल रहा है, मैं सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। और आप आगे बढ़ो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, हमारी सरकार आपके साथ है। नमस्कार, प्रणाम, जय भीम, जय भारत, जय लॉजिस्टिक इंडस्ट्री।
माननीय मंत्री जी हमेशा अपने विट और ह्यूमर के लिए जाने जाते हैं, और अपने विट और ह्यूमर के साथ उन्होंने बहुत यहाँ पर लोगों को प्रोत्साहित किया और अपने मन की बात कही, और वातावरण को बहुत खुशनुमा भी कर दिया। उसके लिए भी विशेष आभार, धन्यवाद। और ये विशेष स्मृति चिन्ह हम माननीय मंत्री जी को भेंट करना चाहेंगे। मैं मंच पर पुनः आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे सभी को फाउंडर्स को, श्री कमल नारायण जी को, श्री प्रेम प्रकाश जी को, श्री अमित शंकर जी को, requesting all the co-founders to be please joining us as we express our gratitude, appreciation to the Honorable Minister. इन क्षणों में हंसी और एक उल्लास इस वातावरण में भरने के लिए, हमें प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए, विशेष रूप से महिला शक्ति को यहाँ पर प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए and requesting the Honorable Minister to kindly do the honors of presenting the awards. I would also like to invite Dr. Tausif Pasha, an entrepreneur, a social activist, and the chairman, Business Infinite Ventures. May I request him to please join us in extending the honor to our awardees. Ladies and gentlemen, the FTL Logistics Shakti Award being presented to Express Roadways. Express Roadways, the FTL Logistics Shakti Award. The team Express Roadways joining us in accepting the award. The FTL Champion Shakti Award being conferred on Globe. The winners of the FTL Champion Shakti Award, Globe, if we can have representatives of the team from Globe joining us, the winners. देवी सज्जनों, यदि आप चाहते हैं कि सभी पुरस्कार माननीय मंत्री जी के कर कमलों द्वारा दिए जाएं, so you will have to come a little faster as we announce the winners. The Rising FTL Shakti Award, the winners AFN. AFN, the winners of the next award. The Rising FTL Shakti Award. May request the team representatives from the winning team. The Freight Services Shakti Award, Road RKV Cargo Movers Private Limited. RKV Cargo Movers. Freight Services Shakti Award Air being presented to Index Logistics Private Limited. Index Logistics Private Limited. This is the Freight Services Shakti Award Air being presented to Index Logistics Private Limited, and the Freight Services Shakti Award Rail. The winners, Pristine Value Logistics Private Limited. Pristine Value Logistics Private Limited. Pristine Value Logistics Limited, the winners of the Freight Services Shakti Award Rail. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, the winners, Om Logistics. Om Logistics being presented the award for excellence in multimodal logistics services. Om Logistics. May request the winning team to be kindly coming a little faster here on the stage. The Honourable Minister is going to be with us for a few more minutes. Let's have all the awards being presented at his hands. The Warehouse Infrastructure Development Shakti Award, the winners APL Apollo Innovation. They also stand as our title partners for the second edition. APL Apollo Innovation. APL Innovation, I think the team is outside. If they can just move to the next. We recognize our special guest, Excellency Mr. Jason. Once again request him to please join us. Apologies. Honorable Ambassador of USA. So Honorable Minister has already announced we are going to be shortly taking over in terms of our economic growth, also USA, giving you a competition. The Warehousing Construction Shakti Award being presented to Construct Interplayer Private Limited. Construct Interplayer Private Limited. They come with the innovation in the spelling also. Construct Interplayer Private Limited. The next award winner, Bedi Realty. Bedi Realty, Rising Shakti of Warehousing. The Warehouse Infrastructure Development Shakti Award to APL Apollo Innovation, our title partners for the second edition of the Logistics Shakti Summit, and now being recognized here with the next award at the hands of the Honorable Minister, sir. The Warehouse Infrastructure Development Shakti Award, Apollo Innovation, who have been leaders in the steel tubes and now diversifying into the logistics sector, and the Warehouse Infrastructure Award being presented. Recognition also to Excellency Mr. Evgeny Grivia, from the Russian Embassy, the Trade Deputy Head. May I request you, sir, to please join along with your beautiful wife. May I request you also, ma'am, to please join us here on the stage. The next award winner, FWS Associates LLP, the Logistic Infrastructure Development Shakti Award being presented to FWS Associates. We extend our special recognition to Dr. Tawseef Pasha. May I request you, sir, to please once again join us here on the stage, the entrepreneur and social activist and the chairman, Business Infinite Ventures. The winner of the next award, Build My Infra Private Limited. Build My Infra Private Limited being presented the Infra and Procurement Shakti Award. Wilma Infra 13squarefeet.com. The Infra and Procurement Shakti Award being presented to them, and the Global Air Cargo Infrastructure Shakti Award, the winners GMR. GMR, the winners of the Global Air Cargo Infrastructure Shakti Award. The team GMR Aero here on the stage. The Global Air Cargo Infrastructure Shakti Award being presented to them. The Logistics Startup Shakti Award, the winners Bonvi Technology Private Limited. We've just signed the MOU with them. They have presented their drone prototype here. Bonvi Technology Private Limited, winners of the Logistic Startup Shakti Award. Bonvi, do we need to deliver your award through the drone? The next award, the Last Mile Logistics Shakti Award, the winners are OBN Associate Express Industries Private Limited. The Distribution Excellence Shakti Award being presented to Sampark India Logistics Limited. Sampark India Logistics Limited. The next award, the Cross-Border Logistics Shakti Award being presented to Siam Logistics Private Limited. Siam Logistics Private Limited, the winners of the Cross-Border Logistics Shakti Award. We can have the representatives of the team joining us to receive the award. FTL Shakti Award being presented to VTrans India Limited. So we have the Bonvi Technology Private Limited team joining us now, who have been adjudged as the winners for the Logistics Startup Shakti Award. I can request the team to be kindly coming here on the stage. We've already cemented greater ties of partnerships and collaboration with you by signing the MOU. We further appreciate you by presenting this award. Decibel India Logistics Private Limited being judged as the winners for the Logistic Fulfillment Shakti Award. Next we have the Customer Focus Logistics Shakti Award being presented to Alisped India Private Limited. Alisped India Private Limited, the winners of the Customer Focus Logistics Shakti Award. Our next award is the Audit Excellence Shakti Award. The winner, Bhatia and Bhatia. Bhatia and Bhatia, the winners of the Audit Excellence Shakti Award. Signodrive Technologies Private Limited, the winners of the Driver Safety Shakti Award. The Driver Safety Shakti Award being presented to Signodrive Technologies Private Limited. Our next winner, KCJ Resources Private Limited. KCJ Resources Private Limited being presented the Energy Conservation Shakti Award. Energy Conservation Shakti Award, KCJ Resources. Credent Connect and Care Limited, the winners of the Critical Logistics Shakti Award. Credent Connect and Care. Monopoly Carriers and Cargo Private Limited, the winners of the Cargo Excellence Shakti Award. Critical Logistics Shakti Award presented to Credent Connect and Care Limited. Next we have the Cargo Brilliance Shakti Award, the winners Nayak Aviation Services Private Limited. Nayak Aviation Services Private Limited. Our winners now, Kerex Cargo India, Cargo Dominance Shakti Award. We have Nayak Aviation Services, the Cargo Brilliance Shakti Award being presented to them. Kerex Cargo India being presented the Cargo Dominance Shakti Award. Our next winner, awardee, Holy Soul, who are being presented the Excellence in E-Commerce Supply Chain Award. अगला पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जाता है वर्सो अल्टिमा को स्मार्ट ईआरपी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन शक्ति पुरस्कार। अठावले जी का विशेष आभार और धन्यवाद इन पुरस्कारों को प्रदान करने के लिए और हमारे पुरस्कार विजेताओं को यहाँ पर सम्मानित करने के लिए। The Rising Shakti of Logistics, that's BMR. BMR, the Rising Shakti of Logistics, the award being presented to BMR. The next award, Emerging Talent, BMR, the winners of the next award, if we have the team BMR. And the next winner, Trans Satyam. Trans Satyam being presented the Emerging Talent Shakti Award. Trans Satyam, the Emerging Talent Shakti Award being presented to them. Port Services Shakti Award, the winners JSW Infrastructure. JSW Infrastructure. So many congratulations to all the awardees, stand as winners of the Logistics Shakti Awards. I'll just take the names of some of the people who didn't join us when the awards were announced. The Energy Conservation Shakti Award winners, KCJ Resources Private Limited. If anyone from KCJ can join us in receiving the award. Audit Excellence Shakti Award being presented to Bhatia and Bhatia. Last Mile Logistics Shakti Award to OBN Associate Express Industries Private Limited. And the winner of the Cross Border Logistics Shakti Award, Siam Logistics Private Limited. The Rising Shakti of Logistics, Marketplace MPL. The winners, ladies and gentlemen, Marketplace MPL. May I request Mr. Murthy, Mrs. Murthy, Mrs. Atul, Mrs. Simi and Mrs. Sangeeta. So once again we have the Nari Shakti here on the stage. Rising Shakti of Logistics, Murthy Supply Chain Logistics. Garg Road Carriers Private Limited presented the Rising Shakti of Logistics Award. Official VWS Technology Partner Ecosystem, Cars on Rent India Private Limited. Cars on Rent. Your cars on rent. Okay, Murthy Supply Chain Solutions, Rising Shakti of Logistics. The official WMS Technology Partner Ecosystem Award presented to Cars on Rent India Private Limited. Rising Shakti of Logistics, Garg Road Carriers Private Limited. Rising Shakti of Logistics Award to Rightways Air Logistics. Rightways Air Logistics. Rising Shakti of Logistics Award to Agastya Freight Solutions. Agastya Freight Solutions. Agastya Freight Solutions, the Rising Shakti Award, and ladies and gentlemen, our recognition to one of the visionary leaders present here in this August gathering, Mr. Vipin Vora, being presented the Visionary Award. Mr. Vipin Vora from Continental Carriers, the Individual Award, the Visionary Award being presented to Mr. Vipin Vora. The Associate Ecosystem Award to Z-Log Logistics Solutions Private Limited. Z-Log Logistics Solutions Private Limited. Z-Log being recognized here, award being presented to them, and our last of the awards, Vandana Motors. Vandana Motors being presented the Associate Ecosystem Award. Vandana Motors, the Associate Ecosystem Award. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, many congratulations to all the award winners, thanking each one of the speakers also who shared their vision and their perspective. As we celebrate this association, this partnership with all of you, we have a very melodious voice who's going to be performing here, Mustafa, who's going to be here on the stage, filling the air with music and his melodious voice, as shortly the dinner is also going to be opened. Enjoy the evening, ladies and gentlemen, and once again congratulations to all the award winners. Emerging Talent Shakti Leader Award to Trans Satyam. Emerging Talent Shakti Leader Award. The winners here, Trans Satyam.